If you park your vehicle on public streets and lie awake at night fearing that it might be stolen, then this video's for you. We're thrilled to introduce that we're now an authorized dealer for Monimoto tracking devices. And today we'll be going over all the exciting features of their newest model, the Monimoto 9. The kit includes a Monimoto 9 GPS tracking device that measures 3.6 inches by 1.5 inches. It's powered by a rechargeable 3.7 volt lithium battery that provides you with up to 12 months of operation before it needs a recharge via the built-in USB-C charge port. It's IP68 rated, meaning that it's dustproof and waterproof, capable of being submerged in fresh water for up to 30 minutes in a depth of up to 5 feet. The watertight casing houses a built-in international SIM card that includes 2 months of free service and is just $49 a year after that. You also get some releasable zip ties so that you can mount the tracking device to your vehicle, as well as a CR2032 battery to power the key fob that communicates with the device. The tracking device is secured to your vehicle in a hidden location using the included zip ties. The included key fob should be connected to the keychain you use for that vehicle. Anytime you're near your vehicle or using it, the tracker is unarmed. Once you and your key fob step away from the vehicle, the tracker automatically arms itself and its onboard motion detector. If any motion is detected or the vehicle is stolen, the tracker will set off a silent alarm that calls the cell phone number you entered when setting up the free mobile app.
This is your Monimoto device. Your Monimoto device is now in alarm.
The phone call will occur within 60 seconds of detecting movement or theft. If the vehicle stays in motion, you'll continue to get push notifications on the phone app with the vehicle's updated GPS location every couple of minutes, so that you can track it down with local authorities. In conclusion, it's small, rechargeable, calls you when your vehicle is stolen, and sends you GPS coordinates every few minutes. I don't know about you, but it's definitely on my mod list. If it's on yours, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a Monimoto 9 for your ride. And feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.